welcome back to my channel, All Our Blends. First of all, I just want to say thank you for all the support. Thank you for the comments and the likes. I really appreciate it. And I'm really sorry that I haven't been posting for a few weeks now. It's just I've been very busy with work and everything, so I just wanted to say thank you very much for just understanding and just still sticking with me. So thank you very much, guys. So I got another quick unboxing for you guys here today, and without further ado, let's just get into it. All right, as you can see, it's a Gucci box right there. It's pretty white. It's a white Gucci bag. Okay, all right, so let's open it up and see. Let me bring the box out so you can see what's in there. Right there, and it says Gucci on the box right there. Actually, let's unbox it together. I'm gonna take the bow off. There we go. There we go. This is, I'm sure you can guess what's in there already. It's a footwear. Do you want to guess? I'll give you a few seconds to guess what's in there. What kind of footwear? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. All right. It is a sneaker that, you know, as usual, I've been looking at for a little while. Like as usual, before I get most of my stuff, I was, I always just look at it for a little while and just, make up my mind. And as long as I like it, I just hide it a little bit and just get it. So without further ado, that's the box right there. That's what it looks like. The sides, and here has the sizing on the side right there, and the size I wear is a UK 8, which is right there, and a US 9 right there. I get the camera to focus. I think it's, there we go. As you can see, that's it. All right, so let's open this bad boy up. All right, let me pull this up. There we go. And straight away you can see the dust bag that comes with it. It says Gucci on there as well. All right, so I'm gonna take the dust bag and put it on the side. Okay, ready guys? You ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. I got the Gucci A sneaker. That for me is a classic. I love a lot of classic stuff. I just like sometimes to be just simple and just go classic, because most of the time when you go classic you can never go wrong. So let me bring a pair out for you guys so you can see it. It's in a bag, and I wear this in a size 8, as most of my sneakers. All right, I'll take it out of the bag so you can see. It's a white classic Gucci A sneaker, and it's got the croc at the back with Gucci on it, embossed on it, right there. Yeah, my camera is focusing nicely. There we go. And that's the side, and the front, what it looks like. I just had to get this because it actually reminds me of the Nikes back in the days that I used to rock when I was in London. It has like the open tops, the 3 open tops, like the sticky ones that you just open and just stick back, and it's really nice. And I've got the Adidas one as well. I used to have that one too, which is the classic. Everybody knows about the Adidas. So for a designer sneaker like Gucci doing this, I just had to cop this. Like, I didn't even think twice about it. I've been looking at it for a while. I've been wanting to get it, but basically I just opted and get it. Like, I just stopped thinking about it. I just want to do it. So, and I was like, this is a classic, you know. And that's the bottom right there. It has the Gucci logo right there, you know. That's a classic, and that's what the bottom looks like. I know I'm a little bit late on this one because almost everybody on YouTube has this, you know, but it's just that it took me a while to get to it because I've been wanting to get a lot of things. So I got all those ones out of the way, and I know this is a classic. It will always be there, and I will always have it no matter what, you know. So I was like, you know, I'm definitely gonna get it, but now I finally got it. So and it's got the Gucci inside. All right, right there. It has the embossing Gucci right there, and it's got the stuffing right there. But unfortunately, like Gucci, this Gucci sneaker doesn't come with extra pairs of lace, which I'm not too happy about because most designer sneakers I always have, like, you know, extra laces come with them, and just in case, you know, something happens, you know, with the lace, you can always switch them out and stuff. But this one doesn't have any. But all in all, for me, you know, I really like them. And as usual, they comes with the care booklet right there. It's got Gucci on it. All right, front and back is in different languages. You know, I know you guys already know about that, but it's always nice to put it in there so you guys can, you know, just see everything that comes with it. So I can give you guys a 360 on how it looks together. You know, I just put the box right here, and we'll come back to that later. Okay, so there you go. See, this is a 360 for you guys. That's the front right there. Two bears, two legs, I mean, you know, the sides and the back. My camera can focus. There we go. It looks really, really cool. Very white. You know, I just like the simplicity, you know, and how it looks. You know, and that is the footwear I've got for you guys today. You know, of course, as always, I will do an on feet for you guys so you can see how it looks, you know, on feet, you know. So because that's very important. I know a lot of you guys want to see that. So I'm definitely gonna do that for you guys so you can see. That's the bottom right there, and the back with the croc and the Gucci embossing right there, you know. And the front, it's just a classic that, you know, I just had to do it, you know. So there we go again. So I believe this on the website right now. When I was recording the videos, when I was recording the video, I couldn't find the receipt. I'm sure I misplaced it somewhere. I don't know where. Because I've had this for a little while. I just put it in the house because I've been really busy and I couldn't really find time to record the video because of work and everything. So the receipt is somewhere, but I believe it's about 580. I believe, yeah, 580. But don't quote me on that. If you want pricing or anything about this particular sneaker, just go on the Gucci website. You can get everything from there. I'm sure you can. So, you know, so that's everything I got for you guys today. Thank you for watching. And by the way, yeah, before I forget, I've got a little something as well, which I got from Tiffany. Initially, I wasn't gonna do the video, but I was like, you know, it's hair, what the heck. So it comes in this little bag. It's just something simple that, you know, I really liked. I just, you know, saw, and with a little bow like that. So I'm gonna take that off so you can see what's in there. All right, it says Tiffany on the box right there, and it's in a little pouch right there, and it's right here in the bag. Comes with a little sack right there, and this is what I got. It's just a bangle, you know, very simple. I just like the simplicity, you know. It's classic. I love classic stuff, which by now you guys know. And it's got the Tiffany Co embossing right there, if you can see it, on both sides. Let's see. Camera's not trying to focus right now. All right. Anyway, so yep, it's just something simple, you know, and put it on so you guys can see it. Look out, see how it looks. Just you know, just something simple, bangle, you know, casual wear. You know, this is me. I like things like this. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. So thank you guys very much for watching today. I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel, your comments, your subscriptions, your likes. I appreciate it, especially because it is a new channel, and I just want to say thank you. I cannot thank you enough. Enjoy your day, and thank you. Have a great day. All out.